Hi everyone! One of the things that really help us make sentences is learning new words. That's why today we're going to learn new word wall. Look at the title, everyone. Look here. The title is always written in big words. What do you see in this picture? What is this? A bear. Right. So the title of the story is My Bear. Now let's see, what is the bear doing? Yes, sleeping. So let's read here. My bear can sleep. What else can the bear do? Eat. Yummy, yummy. My bear can eat. Oh, what is he doing? Riding, you're right. Now let's read together. My bear can ride. Wonderful. Now what is the bear doing? Yes, reading. Let's read. My bear can read. Oh, what is he doing now? I bet that you all like to do just like the bear. To swing. Now let's read. My bear can swing. Oh, what is he doing? Swimming, you're right. My bear can swim. Oh, where's the bear right now? He's in the sun so that he can dry. Now let's read. My bear can dry. That's it. So my friends, as we learned, as we saw throughout the story, they repeated the words my, can. My means what belongs to me. It belongs to me. Like this is my bag. Can, it means able to. I can write many words. Okay? Now it's your turn to make sentences using my and can. I know you can do it. See you next time to learn more words. Bye for now.